Hey folks, this is David from 60 Second Designs, and today I'm going to be covering the Character panel. The Character panel allows us to make changes to the formatting of text. We can find this panel by navigating over to the top of our screen and clicking the drop-down button labeled Windows in the toolbar. From there, we can then select Type and Character from the pop-out window. Alright, so now with our Character panel open, we can highlight one of our pre-created text boxes and begin using some of the features found within the panel. The first option allows us to either type in a font family name, or we can select it from the drop-down list. The second option lets us choose the font style within that family. Now that our font family and style have been selected, we can then increase or decrease any of the following options: the font size, the leading, which is the space between two lines of text, the kerning, which is the space between two individual characters, and the tracking, which is the space between a selection of characters. If you need additional character panel features, you can select the hamburger icon in the upper right corner of the panel and choose Show Options. And that's all there is to it. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about the character panel, please post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!